Good morning everyone. Time to go down, get some breakfast, drink some water and put my first load into the washing machine because it's a nice day. Today I'm hoping to bring you a ton of cleaner motivation and get you in the mood to clean your house and getting it all nice and fresh and clean. So I really hope that this does get you in the mood to have a clean with me and put me on the telly, on the iPad, on your phone, wherever you put me. I just hope I give you a ton of cleaner motivation. So I'm going to start in the bedroom and I'm going to start by cleaning the chandelier and the shutters. The reason why I'm doing the chandelier and the shutters is because obviously you work your way from the top to bottom and they are dusty. I don't even know whether you can see the dust on here. Right, let me just see if I can zoom you in a touch. But can you see the dust? Well, I can see the dust, especially here. So we had the arch repaired 2 weeks ago now, and the dust that has created is mind-blowing. Literally, I have to clean the shutters every single day or every other day. These haven't been done for 2 days. That's just 2 days. 2 days and they're full of dust. So I'm going to clean the chandelier, then I'm going to clean the shutters, and then I'm just going to work my way down to the floor. Good old furniture polish. Skillshare are sponsoring today's video. Skillshare are an online learning community where you can choose from thousands of classes on topics like meditation, minimalism, videography, art and animation, self-confidence and entrepreneurship. I've taken quite a few classes with Skillshare and I'm currently taking the Sydney Langosh class, Starting a Business. This class lasts for 11 minutes, so it's a nice quick class that I can take early in the morning with my cup of tea or cup of coffee, and we've all got 11 minutes to spare on learning how to start up a new business. This course that I'm currently taking at the moment is my 7th course on Skillshare, and I'm sure that list will grow over the next few months. Whatever your skill or whatever your schedule, Skillshare has something for you. I don't think you're ever too old to learn a new skill or to take classes that you enjoy to advance a specific skill that you enjoy, like say cross-stitching or illustration, anything like that. There's something new to learn on Skillshare. It's a great place to get lost in creativity. So the first 1,000 people to use the link in my description box below will get a free trial of Skillshare's premium membership so you can explore your creativity, and after that it's less than $10 a month with an annual subscription to use Skillshare. So thank you so much to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. I've gone back to using good old furniture polish to polish all the surfaces in the bedroom. I just think you can't beat the amount of dust that polish gets rid of in comparison to like an antibacterial cleaner or a counter cleaner of some sort. But what I'd love to know is, what is your favourite cleaning product for cleaning the bedroom? If you've been around on my YouTube for a while, you'll know I've tried lots of different cleaners in the bedroom, from furniture polish, I've tried Method, I've also tried the Marks and Spencer's cruelty-free range, maybe about 2 years ago that was now. And I'm yet to find one that I absolutely love. So if you've got any to share, please leave them in the comments down below for me so I can have a little look. You can actually see how dusty the bedroom's got. How dusty the bedroom's gotten by my clothes. I'm in black, and where there's dust all over me. So it's nice to see the back of the dust. I'm now going to put the laundry on the maiden. I also have a top tip for you. This really works. My top tip for drying clothes on a clothes airer or a clothes maiden or a clothes horse, whatever you may call it, basically one of these, is to air the clothes and dry them inside out. So everything that is on my clothes maiden at the moment is inside out. So by tomorrow morning when it's all dry, if I plug my dehumidifier in, it will be dry within a couple of hours. But it's a nice warm day. I've got the windows open up here, so they should be dry by either tonight or tomorrow morning. When I turn the clothes the right way round to hang them in the wardrobe or fold them up and put them away, they will smell beautiful. And I don't know what it is. I don't know whether it's because all the fragrance is trapped on the inside, but I promise you it works. I'm touching my nose because the dust is really getting to me. I do have allergies to dust, so my eyes I'm dying to scratch and my nose I'm dying to rub. Try that little tip and let me know in the comments down below once you've done it if you noticed a considerable difference with the smell. Oh, the dust has got to me up here. But if you do notice a considerable difference with your laundry by drying it inside out, please leave me a comment down below and let me know. Or let me know if you're going to try it, or leave me a comment down below and let me know if you've got any top tips on how to make your laundry smell amazing. I did mention as well that I didn't want to put my dehumidifier on because it's a lovely day and I've got the windows open. However, the dust is really bad in our bedroom today and it's already affecting me. I've sneezed and sneezed, my nose is really itchy, my eyes are really itchy, so I'm going to clean the TV screen now using this Blaupunkt and the cloths that come with it. It's a proper screen cleaner. I'm going to use this now and then put the dehumidifier on and come out of the bedroom. The sad thing is that you've got to close the windows before you can use your dehumidifier because it's taking all the moisture out there. You're never going to get that equal balance. It's always going to drag moisture from outside into the dehumidifier. So I will close the windows, I will plug the dehumidifier in, and that will help to settle the dust down in the bedroom. Now I'm in my office and I'm going to get stuck in and just give it a good clean. I don't know what I'm going to do about this situation, but I'm not happy about it. I've got an order here to go back to ASOS, so I'm going to package that up now and get it all organised. I have just decided to move the desk to here because the wall where I sit is getting marked terrible. off the front of my shoes. Can you see all that? So, unfortunately, this is going to need painting. What I'm going to have to do is, when I'm painting the arch downstairs, because that needs painting and touching up as is now, but when I'm painting that, I'm going to run upstairs with the roller and touch up this wall because that looks really bad. Now, it's scuffed, but it's nothing that a little lick of paint can't fix. So putting the desk this way isn't ideal for me because I prefer it this side, but the radiator's there. So I know I wouldn't let my feet touch the radiator because the radiator's hot. Even if I've got slippers on, I won't let my feet touch the radiator. And if that's the case, it can just wash off the radiator, whereas I'm not going to be able to wash them marks off. They're literally off the front, probably, of these trainers that have caused them marks. But I suppose it's the way that it is when the wall's white. But gutted to see it. I've put it back this way, and then hopefully as well, when I'm filming for YouTube and I'm in my office, you're not always going to see the back of this door, which is an eyesore, isn't it? Like, but then I've got this footstool that I need to find a home for. It's got to go back downstairs, but I don't know where it's going to go. So we're getting there. I just need to tidy the desk off and make this room look tidy and organised. It would seem my camera just doesn't want to play ball in this room, so I'm going to clean it very quick and then I'll show you what it looks like. There's only the desk left to do. As you can see, I'm almost clear. But I don't know whether it's because we're so close to the window, it just keeps going really dark. So I'm going to get in here done and then I'll show you that when it's nice and clean. As we dance, as we dance, as we dance. And that's the end of my cleaner motivation video. I hope it's given you a ton of cleaner motivation and got you in the mood to clean along with me, and the upstairs of your house looks nice and clean like mine does. Thank you so much to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. Check out the link in the description box down below for you to try out the premium Skillshare membership. And I'm sure you'll find a class on Skillshare that you absolutely love, just like me. You'll find something that you can get consumed in and bring out your creative side. Thanks so much everyone for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.